Hello and welcome to QOMO. Today I'll be unboxing the QOMO QPC25W document camera. The QPC25W is QOMO's newest document camera that is completely wireless. This model uses Wi-Fi technology to share images and videos. It's lightweight, simple to use, and it has HD 1080p resolution. It's easy to transport this particular camera in order to present wherever you are. When you receive your wireless document camera, you'll notice it's packaged with the product information on the back. So, let's open this up and see the packaged contents inside. The first item is the document camera, the user manual, the base plate to add extra support for your document camera, a bag that contains the Wi-Fi dongle. You will be plugging this into the USB port of your PC, which can be your personal computer or the built-in PC on our Journey panel. This document camera comes with the software downloaded to a flash drive for easy installation. You may obtain the document camera software from the USB or click on the link in the description to download the software for your device. With the software, you'll be able to do cool things like annotation, side-by-side image comparisons, and video recording with 1080p resolution. Next, check out our Get Started video to learn how you can start using this document camera right away. This concludes today's unboxing. If you have any questions on the setup of your QOMO product, please contact your local reseller or contact us at hello@qomo.com.